Yes.
Where is it?
Yes. Great job, Ganu. Great job, Ganu. Now let's do it.
Only letter.
Yes, Ganu.
On a piece of triangle.
रुको रुको, हाँ अभी इसको करेंगे, अभी थ्रो. ठीक है, अभी हम थ्रो करेंगे. गनु, लेट्स डू इट. गनु, 1 2 3. Oh, what is this, Ganu? Which letter is this?
Triangle.
And which letter is this? This is?
P triangle.
Yes. So find out. Very good. Now which number is this, Ganu? Yes. Put 4 beads. 1 2. आगे और डालो. 3. One more. 4. Very good. Now, Ganu, which number is this?
5.
Now put 5 beads. 1. गनु काउंट करके डालो बेटा. It's okay. No problem. 2 3 4 and 5. Very good. ठीक है. Okay, Ganu. S says yes. A says Ganu. A says yes. And T says yes. So Ganu, now let's make the word S. A. T. Sat. No. S. A. T. Sat.
Sat.
Yes. Ganu, P says
No, like this. D.
Ganu, no, this is P. Okay. So D says
D.
okay. And I says I says
E.
yes.
Blue.
Yes. And no, this is no, this is N. So what is the word?
D.
E. Din. Okay. And now tell me what is the word? E. Pin. Wants to go to his house. Come on. Yes, Ganu. Good job. Great. Oh. Okay. So, very good, Ganu. Very nice. Okay. Good job. Very good, Ganu. Very nice. Give me a high five. Give me a high five, Ganu. Yes.